Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a shared folder in Google Drive. So simply open your Google Drive and look at the left side, click on to new to make new folder, to write new folder name. Okay, click on to create, and so look here, now successfully create new folder. So open this and click on to new to file upload or folder upload. So I'm select file upload. Okay, and click on to name and showing you to share option to share. So if you want to add people, group and calendar event, or copy link and restrict anyone with the link to select. So that's it, that's how you can do it.